Ace Hardware, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Learn how to trellis tomatoes, coming up on Year-Round Gardening. Tomatoes grow on a vine, which makes trellising an option. Though you don't have to trellis your tomatoes, it helps free up garden space. Keeping the vines off the ground also helps improve airflow, and this can help avoid blight and other diseases. There are a number of options when it comes to trellising. Choose your tomato. This is the fun part. There's a wide variety of tomatoes you can grow. Choose the tomatoes that match what you like to eat. You might also want to pick ones that have resistance to late blight. Also, keep in mind that some tomatoes are determinate. These are sometimes called bush tomatoes. They grow to a specific height of about 4 feet tall, and then fruit sets at about the same time on the plant. Other tomatoes are indeterminate, meaning they continue growing and producing fruit all throughout the growing season. The only thing that stops them is the frost. Choose the support structure. There are a variety of structures you can buy on the market. These include different types of cages and fencing. You can also fabricate your own trellis with a fence post or other long, sturdy object. In my case, I use whatever I have on hand. I have some cages, I have some wooden stakes, and I also sometimes use broom handles. Install at planting. Install the trellis at planting and make sure to place it deep enough into the ground so that the plant has enough support. It's also important to install the trellis at planting so that it doesn't damage the plant roots. Tie vines to the stakes as the tomatoes grow. Be sure not to tie too tightly. And as the tomatoes grow, be sure to add more ties.
Ace Hardware, locally owned and operated, and a proud supporter of public television. Ace, the helpful place, Hills Plaza South State College, and South Dorcas Street, Lewistown.
Videos like this are made possible by support from viewers like you. If you enjoyed this video, visit WPSU.org to become a member today and help us create more content like this.